Hello students, I am welcoming you once again, and now we will solve the homework number 2 of that divisibility. And in that homework number 2, the first question was that check the divisibility of this and this by 8. So we will check the divisibility of this number and this number by 8. So what should we do first? First we should go to the rule of the 8. And the rule of the 8 was saying to us that the last 3 digit must be divisible by 8. Here I have also given you the hint, and that hint is choose last 3 digit and divide by 8. So this first number is your 8, 2, 8, 4, 8. So we will choose the last 3 digit, and the last 3 digit is your 8, 4, 8, and divide that by 8. So this 8 one time it will go, 8 1 ja, I'm sorry 8 1 ja, remainder will come 0, this 4 will make it 4. Now what are you looking, that this 8 is not dividing this number, 8 is not dividing this, the number here is less than the 8. So in the division what will you do, you will write 0 here and again put the next number, and now it will go 8 6 times. Here you can check this 8 4 8. When you will divide that by 8, first it will go one time, okay, 8 1 ja, 8, remainder will come 0, this 4 will make it 4, but here the number is less than 8, so you will have to be choose the next number. So for that what do? We put the 0 here, then we will choose the next number. This now it will make 40. Okay, again this is 48, 8 6 are 48, and it is completely divisible. So it is going 106 times. So 8 4 8 is, I was saying to you, means suppose you are not going through this way directly, if you want to find out, please try to find the division in your mind, then only you will be quick in your exam. This 8 1 ja time it will go, remainder will come 0, again this 4 will come, but this the total number will become, once again I am discussing this 8 4 8, when you will divide that by 8, 8 1 ja time, 8 1 ja 8, remainder will come 0, choose the next number 4. So you are looking that this number is less than this, so it will not divide this. So we will have to be choose the next number. So remember this, we can't choose two numbers simultaneously. Together we can't bring down the two numbers. We can only bring down one number at one time. And if we want to bring out the next number, we will have to be put 0 here, then only we can bring the next number here. So we will put zeros. Why we are putting 0? Because this number is less than this. So put 0 to bring out the next one. So 8 6 are type. It is your last 3 digit is completely divisible by 8, hence the given number will be divisible by 8. Okay, this division means you will have to be practice on it, then only you will get it. For the time, just try to understand this. When will we move to the other classes, you will become habitual about it, that how we should divide directly. I will give you one video based on this also, but later on. First study this. Now we will move to the next number given in the problem, and the next number is your 72884. So we want to check the divisibility by 8. So we will choose the last 3 digit. Last 3 digit is your 884. When you will divide it by 8, it will go 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, remainder 0. Next number will make it 8, then again it will go 1 time, 8 1 ja 8, remainder will come 0. Next what will you bring? 4. So since this is not completely divisible, it is not dividing this 4 here. So what will you do? You will put 0 here. Please keep it in your mind that if any number is going to be left in the division, please once again, if any number is going to be left in the division which we are not able to divide, so we will consider that as our remainder and will put 0 in the dividend, means whatever will come after dividing. Means the meaning is that, means I am forgetting the term, I will tell that this 884 is 8. One time 8, one time this 04 here. Look that this number we are not able to divide this by 8. Can we divide this by 4? 8? No. Since this number is less than this, so we can't divide this. So you are looking that one number is left that to which we can't divide. So what you will have to be do, you will have to be put 0 here, since this number we were not able to divide, and the number here will become remainder. So remainder is coming, not completely dividing the last 3 digits. Hence, number will not be divisible by 8. Next we shall move to the second homework of that divisibility, homework number 2. The second problem was that check the divisibility of this number, this number, this number and this number by 11. So the question is saying us to check the divisibility of the numbers by 11. So the hint is the sum of the digits at odd place minus sum of the digits at even places should be either 0 or 11. So consider the first number is 2, 9, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So this one is odd place, odd place. 1, 2 we will left, 3 we will choose, 4 we will left, 5th we will choose and 6th one we will left. So these are the digits which are situated at odd places. So the sum of odd places digits means 8 plus 4 plus 9 minus sum present at the even places digits. Sum of the even place digits means this one numbers are present at even place, means 2 plus 2 plus 6. Okay, the hint is saying to us that sum of the digits at odd place minus sum of the digit at even place should be either 0 or 11. Means this 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 8 is your 21, minus this 6 plus 2 is your 10. So when you will subtract it, you will get 11. So difference is coming 11, hence number will be divisible by 11. now come to the second one, and second one is your 1 3 3 1. Choose the odd place digit. Odd place is 1. This I will left and will select this one. So sum of the digits at odd place is 3. 3 plus 1 minus sum of the digits at even place is 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 3 plus 1 is 4, which is coming equal to 0. So since difference is coming 0, hence the number will be divisible by 11. And I think you will be aware about it. It's nothing but the cube of 11. Cube of 11 means 11 into 11 into 11. Okay. Next one is your 1 2 1. Choose the odd place. This one, this I will left, this one. Sum of the digits at odd place means 1 plus 1 minus sum of the digits at even place. Only 1 is here, so I will write only 2 here. This 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 will give us 0. Difference is 0. Hence number is divisible by 11. And you will be aware about it. It's nothing but the 11 square. Means 11 into 11. And you will get 121. You can check by this way. It is divisible by 11. And this 11 into 11 when you will get 21. And in the previous one I have told to you, this one is the cube of 11. Means 11 into 11 into 11. Okay. Now we will move to the third one number. So before that I am rubbing this. And you can pause the video and write down the solution if you are not matching with my speed. And one more thing you can do, you can slow down the speed from your cell phone and look the video in a slow speed. Or if you want more speed, you can increase the speed. this 4 0 2 0 4 8 5 9 2. So this one is the number given to us and saying us that check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. So if you will divide it by the old method, it will take time to check that whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. So for only that we are studying the divisibility. So the divisibility by 11 we want to check. So we know the rule. Rule is sum of the digits at odd place minus sum of the digit at even place. If either coming equal to 0 or 11, then number will be divisible by 11. So for that, first we select the odd places digit. Odd place will be this. This I will left. This I will choose. This I will left. This one I will choose. This I will left. This one I will choose. This I will left. And this one I will choose. And we'll write down the number. Means we'll find out the sum of the digits at odd places. Odd places are bounded in the circle. Means 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 minus sum of the digits at even places, and the digits placed at the even places are not bounded here by circle. So those numbers are 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can cross check by counting it, that whether if you have left any number, by counting you can check that whether I have left any number or not. So since the counting is coming same, so I have not, you will become sure that I have not left any number. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. Minus 9 plus 8, 17. Once again it is coming equal to 0. So since difference is 0, hence the number will be divisible by 11. So I have given you the things in the divisibility from the very beginning of the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 10. Then after I have told to you divisibility by 8 and 11, and by 7 you can ignore. By 7, if the question is saying, for the time it is not going to say to you to find the divisibility by 7. If the problem has given to find out the divisibility by 7, you can directly divide, I think, in that case, but that case will not come. So it was the homework number 2 solution. Now we will solve some problem based on that divisibility, and it's the class number 3, and we will practice some problem based on that divisibility. So first problem, I am writing here, and that first problem is that what should come at the place of star in number 3 star 1 if the number is completely divisible by 3. Okay, read out the problem and understand this, that what the problem is saying to us. The problem is saying that what should come at the place of star in number 3 star 1 if the number is completely divisible by 3. So what we should write at the place of star if we want to make it divisible by 3. Read it. Move to the solution. Since the problem is saying that this number is completely divisible by 3, and we know the rule that if a number is completely divisible by 3, then the sum of the digits must be divisible by 3. So here is your number given to you, 3 star 1, and we don't know that what should come at the place of star. So we will apply the rule that if it is divisible by 3, then 3 plus star plus 1 should be divisible by 3. Now this 3 plus 1 will make it 4 plus star divided by 3. Now here you will have to be thinking in your mind that what I should write at the place of star so that the sum will become completely divisible by 3. So start from the very beginning of the counting number, not counting number, it will be the whole number. At the place of star, first if you are writing 0, if you are writing, star is your 0, then 4 plus 0 upon 3 means 4 plus 0, 4 upon 3, not divisible. Not divisible. So we will not choose the star equals to 0. If you are choosing that star is equals to 1, then please keep in your mind that you will not start from 1. You will start from the whole number, which starts from that 0. The things I have told to you in the previous one classes. Whole number, even number, odd number, natural number. So first we have tried with 0, which was not applicable. Next we are choosing 1. So if you are choosing 1, So 4 plus 1 divided by 3 means 5 upon 3. It is also not divisible. Not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. So this one also we will not choose. Star cannot be that 0 as well as 1. Both case we have checked. So that at the place of star 0 is not there. At the place of star 1 is not there. Next we can choose that 2. So when you are choosing that at the place of star is equals to 2, then look, this 4 plus 2 divided by 3 means 6 divided by 3, completely divisible. Look that it should be completely divisible. You will not divide it into the decimals and will say that it has becomes divisible. It should be completely divisible. So it will divide this. So this star is equals to 2 is correct. Isn't it? So your answer should be is your star should be equals to 2. So student, please, now we have come to the solution that is at the place of star there should be 2. I want to tell to you that if you have found that answer, you can cross check it. You can cross check it in this way. Next we are doing that cross check. That at the place of star is your 2. So number will become 3. At the place of star, what will you write? 2, 1, and 3 to 1 must be divisible by 3, isn't it? If you are writing that our answer is that star is equals to 2, means that at the place of star there should be 2. So the number will become this, and this must be divisible by 3, isn't it? Because the question is saying that it is divisible by 3. So if you are putting that star is 2, then it must be divisible by 3, and we are cross checking that. So divide this by 3. 3 1s are 3. Cancel. 2 we will bring out first. So you know in that divide we can bring only one digit at one time. And you are looking that by bringing 2 here, you will be not able to divide this 2 since it is less than 3. So you know that means we will bring out the next number. But the rule is that if you want to bring out the next number, you will have to be put 0 in the quotient, then only the next number you can bring out. So this 21, this 3, again it will go 7 times, 21, and you are looking that cross check by checking in the cross way, It is completely divisible. So answer star is equals to 2 is correct. Now we shall move to the next problem. And student, miss, if you are facing that, miss, I am telling you the things in a fast way, so you can slow down the speed from your cell phone. The option is there. So you can slow down the video and gradually you can look at to the things. And the student who are aware about the things and want the things in the quick way can fast their video. And please follow time is the things which I am telling to you now. Please first write those things and try to understand, and I will try to on the comment as well. If you are facing any problem, you can comment on that, but not accept of that. And gradually you will become that aware about the things. If you are thinking that no, this is not the 5th class math, we are small, no, you are wrong. There are so many 5th class students who are quick like a bullet. And these things are the easy peasy task for them. So I want to make you a 5th class students. That's why I'm telling you the things. So try to do the things. Previous videos, please pause that. First you should write those things and try to understand those things. Now in the starting you will face a lot of problem, but again and again when you will do, if it is taking 1 month, 2 months to understand some 15 to 20 videos, but after that means when you will understand this 15 to 20 videos in suppose in 3 months, so the next 30 to 40 video you will understand in the 1 month. It's sure, I'm saying to you, but you will have to be thinking that other way. And the things which I am giving to you, please go through that first, and do not make your mind miss here and there. Be strict on it, whatever I am saying to you. So this problem number 2 we are choosing, and the problem number 2 is your what should come at the place of star in number 9 star 9 8 star 2 1 9 8 star 2 1 if the number is completely, please, I am writing completely everywhere, so it should be completely divisible, not into the decimals, completely divisible by 9. And if you are facing any difficulties, you can consult to your parents as well. There should be question mark. Okay, so read out the problem and try to understand it first. It is visible to you, na, miss. The options are there in your cell phone, miss. You can change your view in the high definition, and I think it should be divisible. And I am telling you the things which I am writing. So by listening also you can write the things, and writing is most important, student. And where you will have to be concentrate, I will discuss that. Is where you should discuss. So problem is saying that what should come at the place of star. This number is your 9, 8, star 2, 1. So here at the place of star, what should come if it is divisible by 9? Earlier it was divisible by 3, but here it is divisible by 9. So once again we will think about that rule of 9, and rule of 9 was very similar to the rule of 3. What will we do? We will add the digits, and that addition of the digit we will divide by 9 in the case of 9. So this 9 plus 8 plus star plus 2 plus 1 must be divisible by 9. Since the problem is saying it should be divisible by 9. So 9 plus 8 is your 17, 17 plus 2 is your 19, 19 plus 1 is your 20. So 20 plus star should be divisible by 9. So what should come at the place of star? Is it 9? No, student, 9 will not come. Some of you will think that here should be 9. No, don't become donkey. Otherwise I will become the head of donkey. Who will teach to the donkey? A head donkey? So don't think. Here what should come? You will think. You will try from star is equals to 0. So 20 plus 0 divide by 9. 20 by 9. No, it is not divisible. Star is equals to 1. 20 plus 1 upon 9. This 20 plus 1 is 21. 9. No, it is not completely divisible. Star if you are putting 2. So 20 plus 2 upon 9 means 22 upon 9. No, not completely divisible. And star if you are putting 3, so 20 plus 3 divide by 9. No, 23 upon 9 not divisible. Star if you are putting equal to 4, 20 plus 4 upon 9 is 20 plus 4 is your 24 upon 9, not divisible. Star if you are choosing 5, then 20 plus 5 upon 9 is 25 upon 9. No, it is not divisible. Next we can consider the 6. Star is your 6. So 20 plus 6 upon 9, 26 upon 9. No, it is not divisible. Star is 7, so 20 plus 7 upon 9 is 27 upon 9. So it will become divisible. 9 3s are 27. So your answer should be, star should be 7. You can also check in the quick way that 9 2s are 18, 3s are 27. 9 2s are 18, 3s are 27. So what should you add in the 20? So it can become that 27. Obviously, when you will put that 7 in it, it will become 27 and it will be completely divisible by 7. So answer should be your, at the place of star what should come? 7. Oh. Think it, and next we will move to the cross check of it. Give me some time. Lots of energy is required to tell the things. Okay, I am rubbing here. Now we will move to the cross check. Cross check, you have looked at star is your 7. So number will become 9, 8, 7, 2, 1. Is it? We will put at the place of star 7. So the number will become this. Check it and whether it is divisible by 9 or not. We'll divide this by 9. 9 1 9. We will put 8 here, but you are looking that 8 is smaller than this. So we will think to bring out the next number, but for bringing the next number we will have to be put 0 in the quotient. The rule of divide. So you will increase 0 here and then you can bring out the next number. This will become 87. 9 9 ja 81. 6 will come. This 2 here, 62 is there, and we are dividing by 9. So 9 5s are, no 6 are, it will go 9 6 are, this will give us 8. Next we will bring out the 1 here and 9 9s are 81. So you are looking, it is completely divisible. Cross check. So star is equals to 7 is correct. Please student divide, no, miss, please practice on that divide. I'm thinking to give the video of that divide. Still, I think you should be known to that how to divide the numbers by which. I am making that easy for you. It will become easy gradually. You will look in the further classes. Okay. So up to here for today. Have a good day.